Alright, it's Mr. Dorsey again. I'm trying to make these videos for my students not in class. We have done the triangle, the square, the pentagon. Now we're going to make a hexagon, which is 6 sides. And I'm going to do that relatively quickly. I have students coming in here any minute. Let's see if I can do this before they get here. Start it the same way. Draw your line about 6 inches long. Again, you're using a pencil, not a pen. Put a dot toward the end like we've been doing. 1 inch sides is the same on every one of these, so let's go with 1 inch sides. I put the dot at 1 inch. I go over to the long line here, which is at 1 inch. This is what I'm working from, not an A, but a caret. I'm going to go ahead and measure 120 degrees is what I have given you, and that is correct for these, 120. So I'm going to go ahead and put my line on the protractor line, my careted vertex in the hole, and I'm going to go 120 degrees. Which would be over here. Again, my shape is here, so 120 degrees is obtuse, so it's got to be out here if you draw this line. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're going to turn the paper and do it all again. So I'm going to ignore this caret. I'm going to go on 1 inch, 120 degrees. Let's do that again. 1 inch. Let's go right in the hole and on the line and 120 degrees. I can't quite get it outside my paper, but I'm going to get it inside because 60 and 120 are supplementary angles, therefore that is the same line. I'm going to go ahead and draw that. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to go 1 inch as we've been doing. 1 inch sides. Once I've done the 1 inch side here, I'm going to do the whole process again. 120 degrees. Excuse me. So again, 120, I can't do it outside, but I can do it inside because that is the same line. I'm going to connect those dots. You'll get a sense of where your pencil line goes on these. I'm going to go over 1 inch like I've been doing. Excuse me. I'm going to do it here. I'm going to go 120 degrees. I go up here to 120. I could do it at 60. You'll see it's the same line when I do that. It is the same line. Those two dots are on there. I'm going to go over 1 inch and do another 120 degrees, and I should meet my 1 inch mark here. Let's see if I can do this. I should be able to meet that. This one should connect to that one when I measure 120. If I did it right. If I didn't, and I'm close, it's not going to be a big points off thing, but all right, 120 degrees. These three lines, or these three dots, should roughly line up. Well, actually, should accurately line up. Look at that. So there is a regular hexagon properly constructed with 120 degree angles, and it gets my seal of approval.